Hey friend, it's Amanda. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I wanted to do a roundup of my favorite recent purchases in the fashion category from Walmart. I've been sharing a lot of Walmart content lately on my channel just because they've been releasing some amazing, great quality items from brands like Scoop, Free Assembly that have really blown me away. So I'm going to go over my top favorite Walmart must-haves for the fall season that are all budget friendly and things that I would recommend to you. If you're new here and you enjoy watching Walmart fashion videos, consider hitting that red subscribe button. Enjoy my Walmart roundup. Let's start off with what I'm wearing. It's this green midi dress. It's this sweater dress, so it's a little bit thicker quality. It's unbelievable. This is definitely one of my top purchases from Walmart, maybe of all time. I love the flattering detail here at the top. It's got a deeper V-neck, a little bit of white outline piping, some buttons here, and I did size down for this one, so I'm wearing a small. It's amazing. I love the fit, and yes, it is a true sweater dress. So it's got cotton as well, a little bit of spandex so it stretches, and I would recommend sizing down for this one like I did. I love the olive green color. This is definitely a favorite color of mine to wear in general, but actually olive green is a trending color for this fall season in particular. So if you want to get on board with a trendy fall color, olive green is a great one. It's really cute and I like the look of this sweater dress. It's only $34 as well. I have another sweater dress that really impressed me once I got it to my house. This one I ordered online from Scoop. It's $40, but the quality is so worth it. You can see it has a little slight ribbing, and this is incredibly soft. I slipped this on and I felt like I was wearing pajamas. It was that cozy. So definitely a nice soft sweater dress that's also a midi length, but this one has a tie in the front. So it's very flattering across the tummy section. I would go with your true size for this one. I got the medium and it's my perfect fit. This is from Scoop and this is the color Cuban Sand. So if you're looking on the website, it's the color in the middle. This also comes in green and black. So whichever you prefer, this is definitely a must-have for the fall. This is a sweater that actually impressed me a lot. I didn't think I was going to like it. First of all, I didn't know about this mustard brown shade. I thought maybe this would wash me out too much, just not look good. Paired with the plaid skirt that I'll mention soon, this is a really great sweater. It has soft cotton and spandex along with a lot of the Free Assembly finds. It's got a classic crew neck at the top, and this is a very easy and versatile sweater. You can layer it with some coats over top, and the color, it grew on me. I would have to say I'm definitely liking it more than I first thought. I got this in my usual size medium, so I'd suggest doing the same. And it's a $20 sweater. You can also wear this to the office with a pair of like plaid pants, or you can dress it down with denim pants. I think this is definitely a great Walmart find. Here's the plaid skirt that I paired with that crew neck sweater. I love this outfit. It is head to toe Walmart, and this is a pleated plaid midi skirt. Pleats are also going to be popular as a fall trend, and I liked the look of this in the 10, so I'd go true to size for this mini. This is very well made from Free Assembly. Once again, they're just hitting it out of the park this fall. They have amazing pieces to add to your fall wardrobe. The skirt is also very inexpensive. It is $24. So if you need a plaid mini skirt in your wardrobe, really check this one out from Free Assembly because I can't recommend it enough. And it also has pockets. I mean, that is everything. I included this chocolate brown midi skirt again in this edition of my Walmart favorites because I feel like it is the best versatile satin slip skirt that you can find on the market for $15. It's chocolate brown, another trendy color for this fall season, and it's inexpensive. I mean, it's under 20 bucks. You can't go wrong with this one. Has a nice signature midi style, and it's chocolate brown, so it goes with a lot of, you know, basics on top. You could pair it with a simple white sweater and some boots and you're good to go. That's a cute fall outfit idea. And because it's so nice and stretchy up at the top, I would get your true size. I've got this in the medium. some cozy wear for you. These are some joggers. They're fairly new to Time and Tru, and they're like 13 bucks. These also come in gray. I go for these neutral tones usually with my loungewear. They've got elastic stretch at the top, a nice little tie, and I styled these in a reel on Instagram, and that went so viral. Everyone enjoyed that casual look paired with the UGG lookalikes that are also from Walmart. And these are great. I just washed them. They also have a nice wide leg style, and they definitely look like Spanx loungewear, but without that high price. Moving on to a few purses that I wanted to share as Walmart must-haves. This is currently my everyday purse, and it's got this nice like shiny outline with the gold hardware. This was under $25, and it also has a top handle, so you can hold it in many different ways, and you can also use the strap here that is adjustable and wear it as a crossbody bag. So this is really what I've been using. It has all of my stuff inside of it right now. It has my wallet, little knickknacks that I carry with me, and it's very roomy. I'm not sure how I can really show all of my stuff. So it's got pocket in the back, pocket in the middle, and one in the front. So normally I'll keep my phone in the front pocket, and everything else I'll just put in the back. And then it closes with this gold hardware at the front. This is a designer inspired purse, a great new arrival to Walmart. I feel like this will probably sell out. So if you like the look of it, check it out down in that description box. I'll have links to all of my Walmart must-haves. This is another bag that's from Walmart. If you're looking for a cute shoulder bag that isn't too small, I feel like some of them can just hold, you know, not everything that you need. And this one is a great size, perfect on the shoulder in a neutral color. These are very popular, and they are still in stock on the Walmart website. So this is a nice Time and Tru Hobo bag, great neutral tones, and go with everything. All sorts of fall outfits that you will style for the season. I've got these neutral scrunch boots that I also have been styling frequently here on the channel, and I wanted to tell you that they're from Walmart. Now these could be out of stock, and I'll have some similar ones shared in that description box. I really enjoyed styling them though, and they do scrunch, so I feel like that's a very flattering shape on the leg. They've got just a little bit of heel height here and a nice point at the toe. I have these in my usual size 10, and they've been great to wear with skirts. Nice versatile knee-high boots that are in a neutral tone. Finally, I want to end off with a few accessories that I've been loving from Walmart. First, I have these pearl drop earrings, and you will not believe that these are under $4. They're like $3.88, but they look so high-end, and they go with all of my fall outfits recently. I love a little good pearl drop. It just feels nice and expensive without that price tag. And then I also have these gold earrings. Now, most of these are in my jewelry box right now, but these are the extra ones that I have still on the little tag. They were $5.88, and there's some nice gold hoops that are great everyday earrings. Very inexpensive. These are the ones that I really like. Have more of like a elongated shape, and then they will just drop down. Definitely look at Walmart for inexpensive jewelry. I like their necklaces as well, but I really wanted to focus your attention on the earrings. Those are all of the recent Walmart finds that I have been enjoying and wanted to share as fall must-haves for you. Don't forget to go down below and check out the links that I have to all these Walmart items in that description box for you to shop and get these items at budget-friendly prices. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button before you go, and I'll see you in my next video.